That energized song was brought to you by
MX3. Dito ako believe.
Ito ang number 106.7
Energy FM. Hi, Bangga.
Hi, Bangga. Huwag mo sabihin radyo. Sabihin mo.
Hi Bangga, ang oras natin 12 midnight. I energy you. That energized time check was brought to you by
MX3. Dito ako believe.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now conclude another day of broadcasting excellence. You have been listening to Energy FM, owned and operated by Ultrasonic Broadcasting System Incorporated, as authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission, and a proud member of the Kapisanan ng mga Broadcaster ng Pilipinas. We thank you for making us part of your day and look forward to bringing you more music and entertainment. We will resume broadcast at 5 a.m. Sunday morning. Until then, stay safe, stay happy, and always keep the energy alive. Good night, and thank you for tuning in. Ultrasonic Broadcasting System Incorporated. UBSI. Informing and entertaining Filipinos since 1998. Ito ang 106.7 Energy FM. Energy FM.
Araw at gabi mo'y tunay na sasaya dito. Sagot namin tugtugan, kantahan, walang patid na tawanan at kulitan. Huwag mong sabihin radyo, sabihin mo
Number 1.
energy.
Hi, Bangga. Huwag mo sabihin radyo. Sabihin mo. Energy.
Nabayong pinakonsenta siya Jim. What? Tricycle FX, basta masigip. Palagi internet, plaza, karinderya. Energy FM, nagbibigay saya. Huwag mong sabihin radyo, sabihin mo number 1. Energy.